Hello, class. Thus far, I have found the concepts of justice, power, freedom, and liberty problematic in the ongoing readings and discussion of Western civilization. As Aristotle's conception of freedom is unpacked, the underlying concept becomes problematic and I believe stands in stark contrast to chattel slavery during the antebellum period in the southern United States. In short, the founding fathers denied Negroes to be human and therefore denied them any concept of power, freedom, liberty, justice. And Aristotle adhered to a philosophy of self-direction. According to Walsh, the article Conception of Freedom, which is said to be a crucial characteristic of the free person. The natural question must be, who determines this self-direction that Aristotle speaks of? In the article, Aristotle goes on to discuss the difference between freemen and slavery. The man who is naturally suited to be free and the man who is naturally suited to be slaves. The question for me was, who determines who gets to have self-direction? I believe it becomes a theological point. In the biblical creation narrative in Genesis, the humans are created and given dominion over the earth and livestock and critters, but I have problems with the text saying that man should have dominion over other men. Some to become masters and some to become slaves. I am struggling with then, what is the genesis of the master-slave concept? Is it based on intellectual capacity, as the strong must care for the weak? And is this to the point of exploitation and marginalization? But who determines intellectual capacity? Are freemen really gifted with foresight, deliberation, and cleverness, as Aristotle suggests? In the article, The Contested Meaning of Libertas, Jeff Kennedy quotes Sham Wurtsaboski, who says, to be free means to be capable of possessing rights of one's own, and this is possible only if he is not subject to someone else's determination or dominion. Liberty, therefore, concerns possession of rights. The philosopher Cicero is equally problematic. Cicero adhered to the thought that the best men equated to the landholding class, men of material possession. And the work of John Locke also appears to be a source for the founding fathers, who had in mind Locke's work when they penned the notion that all men are created equal. And this is found in the U.S. Declaration of Independence concerning inalienable rights, which Thomas Jefferson penned in 1776. Are we once again back to the best men, landholders, wealthy, and whatnot? My sources are John Locke, The Two Treaties of Government, 1690, and Jeff Kennedy, Cicero, Roman Republicanism, and the Contested Meaning of Libertas, and Mariah M. Walsh, Aristotle's conception of freedom. Class, thank you for watching my video.